Okay, so here's a calculator running with a clear screen. See, it repeats. And then here's a 1. You know, and I would think it would repeat. So here's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So hard to tell what it's doing, but what I'm going to do next is take apart the view screen section that I no longer use, and then trace the signals, and then look up the chips and the data sheets and decode it that way. All right, thanks.